Thanks. I was out there on the line like...
Where's the fucking words?
Where's the fucking words? Here's another video of people who sent me videos of them playing the piano using my how to fake being good at piano method. This one comes to us from Luigi 64. Freestyle piano playing. We're about to hear pure creation. He's not going to plan this out. Alright, here we go.
I'm watching on the upper screen.
There's another one. No, I'm just kidding. Once again, allow this to be evidence of the kinds of different things that you can come up with. His was a completely unique style from anyone that we've seen yet. He added the black keys in every once in a while, like that one video I made that one time that says to do that, I think, somewhere on YouTube.
That was a possible thing that was said a few times ago.
I think I made some vampire comment, like, about Dracula or something. It sounds all creepy and spooky, like you're Dracula playing the piano as some hot bitch with big boobs walks into your castle on, like, inadvertently because she's a doctor and she's like, I'm looking for knowledge. And you're like, I am the Prince of Darkness. I am going to f*** you. I am convinced, and the immersion is complete, that this man is a seasoned piano player, and this was his unique piece. And I'm very happy to say,
congratulations!
Thanks. I was out there on the line like...
Where's the fucking words?
Where's the fucking words? I'm looking at my eyes, and then looking away, and then looking at my eyes, and I can see my eyes shift because of the delay. And if I go really fast, it like fucks with me really, really bad.
That's not something you should do. You shouldn't be checking yourself.
I'm like, holy shit.
I kind of find it fascinating too that so far, all of the videos that we've watched of other people using your stuff, none of them sound like what you played. None of them. They all sound completely different. And then they all sound completely different from each other. Like, it's, like, kind of cool. Each person has their own individual sound and way that they play that's, like, unique just to them.
That was a really good showing. Thank you for sending me that video. Oh, you want to see something really quick? I was playing Mountain Blade, and this happened, and I was like, what's that?
Is it just a dude?
Yeah, it's just one of these dudes.
He's not, like, on a horse. What?
Or maybe it's a horse dude. Oh, no, you can see his feet. What the hell is going on here?
You can see his feet? Where? All I saw was a... Oh, wait.
That was Andrew London and Luigi64. We thank them for sending in their footage of them playing the piano in a very impressive manner. All right, well, if you'd like for me to make a video with you in it, send me a picture in a series of many animated pictures, but we call a video of you playing the piano using my method, and I will make a video for you too. Thanks, guys, for watching this video and the outro. Okay, whatever, dude. I'll see you guys later.